Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Ford and welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. We are in the web scraping playlist and in today's video we are going to cover Beautiful Soup. What is Beautiful Soup, how to use it, when to use it, where to use it, why to use it, what are the advantages and what are the limitations and everything. Means we will cover theory part as well as we will cover the practical part. So, what is exactly Beautiful Soup? So, if you want to extract text or you want to extract data from a website which is mainly in HTML format, then Beautiful Soup helps you. If the website is presenting JavaScripts and other languages, then Beautiful Soup is not recommended. For example, websites like LinkedIn, Facebook, for this only Beautiful Soup doesn't help. You need Selenium because there are some authentications, some browser automation required. So this browser automation completed with the help of Selenium. Now, in Beautiful Soup, how in the backend Beautiful Soup works, like it converts the HTML data into a structured tree data. Like all the paragraphs are different, means it converts all the P's, all the H1, H2, all the tables, divisions, containers. So it separates all that, and also it store all this content with the help of a request library. These Beautiful Soup are most commonly used for the websites whose contents are present in the HTML format. For example, Wikipedia, blogs, news websites, documentation, government sites, product pages, and company profiles. So this is a short theory part. Also, what are the real world use cases? Means we have to use Beautiful Soup and when to use it. So if you want a data collection, if you want AI RAG application building, if you want LLM pipelines, search engines, price comparison, this thing you if you want to do, or if you want to extract the news data, company profile creation, NLP, market research, then Beautiful Soup comes into picture. Now, this is the theory part. I will show you the source code and the practical implementation. Now, here is the source code. All the source code is present in the GitHub repository. I will provide you the my GitHub repository link as well. So this is most important. These libraries you have to install. Streamlit is the Python framework where all the visuals you will see. Request is the library used to store the HTML content. Beautiful Soup is the library to convert this HTML content into structured tree format. Python.env is to get the content present in the .env file, this .env file. So nothing, no any API key, just the app name is present, and we call this app dot app underscore name. Over here, I will show you this st dot title means the title will be website scraper, and it will be a beautiful soup demo. And now we have imported OS. Why OS? Because we have to extract some file which is present in our operating system, that .env file. Then request then streamlit vs4 beautiful soup.env. Now this URL is equal to st.text input. Text input means there is an empty box will be created, and in that empty box it is already mentioned, means this is by default URL present, and that by default URL you have to mention another URL. Okay, then this button scrap named button will be there. If you click on that button, then it will check whether it is starting with HTTP or HTTP or HTTPS. If it is not, then it will show error. And if it is successfully means a website is correctly present, then it will fetch the response. This is very important. These headers means this content will go to the website administrator. Like okay, this is for educational Streamlit project. If the headers are not present, then the website administrator or the website system will detect like this is a bot and they will decline our access. You can mention your email address as well because some sites are strongly protected. For example, your LinkedIn, Facebook. So that's why you have to mention these headers. Timeout is 20 seconds. Then if this is not working, then wouldn't receive this page. For example, some pages are not acceptable, then it will show the error. After that, soup is equal to beautiful soup response dot text. This response, this is what we are talking, and it will extract the HTML content Now we are going to extract the titles, paragraphs, headings. So here in the title box, it will extract the title, soup.title, and if no title is present, then no title is present. Content, then headings. This H1, H2, H3, H5, H6 means these headings will be extracted. Then paragraphs. Likewise, paragraphs will be extracted if spaces are present, then strip will be used, tags are there, then subheader, header, headings, names, and this enumerator function we have called. So all the paragraphs will be converted. I will show you. This is a view. This is my virtual environment name. Now I will show you how to run this code. CLS simply type streamlit run app.py because this is the app.py file we have to run. Okay, click enter. Now you will see the Streamlit opens now. So this is by default content. This URL is by default because it is already present over here. You can see this is already present now, and this is beautiful soup demo. How this name came because in the .env file we have present this name beautiful soup demo. Okay, and yeah, I will again go here. Now, for example, if I want to scrap another website, let's say Wipro we will be talking. I want to extract all the content present in this file. All the content means some contents present in this file. So what I will do, I will just click over here so that my HTTPS will be visible. Control A, Control C, and here I will paste it. Now, what contents are present? Wipro Limited is an Indian multinational company, and other technologies is paragraph, early history, years. So these things are present. So all the headings, all the paragraphs will be extracted. So within few seconds, it extracted. Beautiful Soup is faster than Selenium and other extracting sources. So here you can see title Wipro. Then headings H1, H2, H3, H4, H6, history, early years, shift to IT. So these are the headings history earlier, shift to IT, then operations, acquisitions, right? All the headings are extracted. Now paragraphs also extracted. You can see Wipro is a multinational technology company and other technologies. So I will show you. Wipro is an Indian multinational company and other technologies. So this paragraph is extracted. Then this paragraph is extracted. The company was incorporated. The company was incorporated. So how it detects whether this is heading and whether this is paragraph? I will show you. You have to click on the right click and just click uh, inspect. Now, okay. So, for example, history is the name. Okay. So, how it detects history as H2 heading? So, just click over here and now come to history. You can see here. Okay, one second. History. So you can see H2 is there. I'll just control plus. Okay. Mm, yeah. So here, in the HTML source code, the history is present as H2 heading. Okay. That's why our beautiful soup extracted it as H2 history. Similarly, H3, we will check H3, early years. So here, early years is present. Okay. Mm, okay. So you have to zoom it. So early years is present over here, and here you can see early years H3 is there. Okay, now H3 early years. I will click here. Then you can see under H3 the early years is present. That's why it extracted the H3 heading. Okay. Similarly, this paragraph. How this is paragraph? How our beautiful soup say that this is a paragraph. Okay, classify it as a paragraph. Now I will again go here and so this is the paragraph now. So you can see P is present over here. The company was incorporated 2019 and this is this. So all this content is present in the P. That's why this is a paragraph. So this is how Beautiful Soup determines classify this as a paragraph. Okay. So this is how this website extraction takes place. I will again extract uh, some other thing. I will just show you. Okay, let's see recommendations. Ajim Premji. I will just click over here, Control A C, then Control A V, scrap. Within few seconds, it will extract. Early life and education, career recognition. Early life and education. This is reading, career, and then recognition. Okay. Now, after this headings, paragraphs, 20 paragraphs are there. Ajim Premji born 1945. Ajim Premji born, yes, Ajim Premji born in 1945. So, we are able to extract the content present in the web URL successfully. So, this is how it works. Okay, you can make this more complicated as per your requirements. So that's it about Beautiful Soup. It is a very powerful and most widely used technology library. You can say Python library. You must use it if you want to get data from the publicly available data sources, HTML websites, and you can make your application more powerful by integrating Beautiful Soup in it. That's it for today's video. If you really like my efforts, if you like this tutorial, theory plus practical, all the basic concepts and all the queries, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Better Call Call. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.